Don't mess this up. If you set up your tax profile wrong in QuickBooks Online, the IRS can reject your filings. Your invoices will calculate tax wrong, and you will get penalties every quarter. In the next 6 minutes, I will show you the exact step-by-step setup for your USA tax profile in QuickBooks Online 2026. Stay until the end because step 4 is where 90% of small business owners make a costly mistake. Step 1. Log into QuickBooks Online. On the left menu, click Taxes. Then click Account in Settings. Set Tax Profile Name to USA Tax Profile 2026. Use a clear name so you don't confuse it later. Step 2. Filing Status. Click the drop-down. Select Sole Proprietor, LLC, S-Corp, C-Corp, or Partnership. This must match your IRS records. For freelancers with no LLC, choose Sole Proprietor. Federal tax classification for sole proprietors is individual or sole proprietor. Pick wrong here and QuickBooks will prepare wrong tax forms at year-end. Match it to your IRS EIN letter. Step 3. Tax ID or EIN. Enter 12-345-6789 format. No EIN yet? Go to irs.gov and search Apply for an EIN. It is free and takes 5 minutes. Do not use your social security number long term. It is risky and looks unprofessional. Once entered, QuickBooks uses this ID for all tax filings and 1099 forms. Make sure it is correct. Step 4. Sales tax settings. This is the big mistake section. Check I collect sales tax only if you have a sales tax permit from your state. If you sell services online to other states, you might not need this yet. Enter your agency name. Example for California is California Department of Tax and Fee Administration. For Texas, it is Texas Comptroller. Default tax rate for California is 7.25%. Warning: some cities add extra tax. Los Angeles is 9.5%. Check your state.gov website for the exact 2026 rate for your zip code. Get this wrong and you will overcharge customers or undercharge and pay the difference yourself. Step 5. Click Save at the bottom right. Do not close QuickBooks yet. Test it. Create a fake invoice for $100. Add sales tax. Check if the amount calculates correctly. Then go to Reports and search Sales Tax Liability Report. Run the report. If numbers match your test invoice, your tax profile is set up correctly. If not, go back and fix Step 4. Final warning. Set up your tax profile correctly today and you will avoid IRS headaches all year. You will get accurate tax reports every quarter. And you will stay compliant when IRS increases audits in 2026. Take 6 minutes now to save yourself 6 months of stress later.